Hi, I'm Jared Dillingham along Havasu Creek, and I prefer to camp when I come to Havasupai Falls, but a lot of people are looking to stay at the Havasupai Lodge. So keeping in mind photos and videos in the town of Supai are not allowed, let me show you what I can. If you fly into Supai, the helicopter will drop you off very close to the lodge. It reopened after a pandemic renovation in 2023. Each room fits 4 people, with beds, a small couch, and table and chairs. Some rooms have mini fridges and microwaves. The lodge serves a complimentary breakfast and snacks. I can't show you around the village of Supai since photography is prohibited, but a small market and a cafe are right down the street from the lodge. The Havasupai Lodge is a 2-mile hike down to the campground. You'll pass 50-foot falls, Little Navajo Falls, and Hidden Falls on your way to the campground. Havasu Falls, a 2-mile trek from the lodge, marks the start of the campground. From here, it's another mile to Mooney Falls and 3 more miles to Beaver Falls. If you're going from the lodge all the way to the Confluence, where Havasu Creek meets the Colorado River, people staying at the lodge are advised to leave no later than 5:30 in the morning to make the entire trek safely. It'll be more than 20 miles. The price to stay at the lodge has increased to more than $2,000 for 3 nights, but split between 4 people, it's down closer to about $200 each a night. And while most people come to camp along the beautiful blue waters of Havasu Creek, the lure of air conditioning and showers entices others to stay at the Havasupai Lodge.